Search how to activate AHM OSHC policy. Click on the first link. On top, you can see the third option, activate your membership. Click on that. Scroll down and fill up the options. Membership number, first name and last name. Enter date of birth and select gender and accept the box I confirm and click on search. On the next page, enter your mobile number or your phone number. Select your education institution. Select your date of arrival in Australia. Enter your address in Australia. Then enter your password that you would like to keep and click on submit. And then as you can see, your online membership has been activated successfully.